Located in the beautiful town center of Bolton, Massachusetts, the General Stephen Partridge Gardner House is an elegant, preserved center chimney house. Gardner built this home for his bride in 1798. Over the next several decades, Gardner added to his real estate holdings and became a prominent citizen. Not only was he a highly respected brigadier general serving in the Massachusetts militia, locally he served Bolton as town clerk, town treasurer, assessor, and selectman. 642 Main Street represents the finished detail and elegance indicative of the status of Bolton's wealthiest citizens. At the turn of the 19th century, the Gardner House operated multiple business activities, including a store, a storage and distributor of sundries for the poor, and held one of the first liquor licenses, selling spirits out of the L portion of the home. Surrounded by farmland, the Gardner House is also where the heirloom apple variety Mother Apple was created by Stephen Gardner himself. Bolton is a vibrant community within the top-rated Neshoba Regional School System. 642 Main Street is located in the heart of Bolton Town Center. Enjoy coffee and conversation at the Bolton Bean, sip wine at the Neshoba Winery, or partake in the farmers market. Social activities abound. Explore thousands of nearby conservation trails, golf at one of the private or public courses, relax at the winery, visit apple orchards, enjoy music and brick oven pizza at Slater's, a local favorite. Who will be the next caretaker to add to the story of 642 Main Street?